pickle. What you got? I'll just take this. Hey.
What?
Got something for you.
Oh. Mail.
Yeah.
Cartech books.
Yeah.
Auto books and manuals. Forest Lake, Minnesota. And it's actually addressed to me.
It is. That's why I gave it to you.
Okay,
That's kind of the deal.
I think I know what this is. Ooh.
Ooh. He's got the readers on, folks. It's serious.
Dear Eric. See? It says Dear
Eric.
Enclosed are 2 copies of the contract for Volkswagen Beetle, modify and build. We'll have to change the title of that one.
Yeah.
Please sign and date both copies, return them as soon as possible. Publisher will countersign and return copies, including one of their updated author's guideline, which means no cell phone pics.
All right. Yay.
If you have any questions or other material, don't hesitate. Thanks, Wes. And I got Wes's card.
So tell us what's going on.
Well, most of you guys know that we did How to Restore Your VW Beetle book for Cartech, and it was a kind of a bear of a project. Partly because that the editor wasn't reading the stuff that we were submitting on time. Wes, thank you very much. And we'll put a link in the thing below, whatever is below that, except for those are my feet, but yeah, flip-flops. Once we got that book done and went to print, it's actually scheduled for release on Amazon within a week. April 15th was the release date, so get your pre-orders in, follow the link underneath. Yeah. Bring me the copy, I'll sign it for you. So they contacted us about a month and a half, 2 months ago with an idea for a different kind of book on modifications of VWs and resto mods and how you can customize stuff. So we kind of hemmed and hawed, and the publisher kept like going, hey, we'd like to do this book, and we hemmed and hawed, and finally I went, okay, fine, we'll do it. So we're going to be taking it off of 2 of the current builds that we've got, and then I've got a couple contributors that are going to be helping out that are other companies within the VW business or VW community, pretty big name companies that have agreed to help us out, and we're going to do another book, I guess.
Yeah.
And so this is going to be another frustrating project, but
No. It's going to go smooth as silk this time.
it never goes smooth as silk. It's always a struggle, but I think it's a project that I think will be well done by us, and I think that you guys will end up really liking the end material. So that's kind of the deal. So look for that. We'll be doing updates as we go. It's going to take about a year to do this other book. Yeah. And then they've been floating an idea of a contract for another book that they want done on a VW bus and or camper. They don't care if it's split or bay. So if you've got a bus or a camper or split, bay, whatever you got, let's go.
Yeah, we got to have an actual
I have to have an actual car in the works, and then we can write a book off of that, right. And then so your car will be famous in a book form. Ooh. That'll outlive you. Yeah. So give us a shout out at info@airkoolkustoms.com. First available we've got is for June. So take a look. Click at this, link at us, underneath it us. So I'm going to go back to work, and I'm working on photographs from last week.